This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Update Word and use the docx copy so you can revert if formatting shifts. Next, inspect page size, margins, and line spacing because PDFs preserve those values. Embed fonts if you rely on custom type. Turn off track changes and accept edits to prevent annotations in the PDF. Once done, choose File, then export or save as PDF. This is the first conversion step that preserves layout while letting you adjust settings before finalizing. You now address the nuanced choices that affect output quality. Open export options and decide whether to include bookmarks or document structure. Use ISO/AAT compliance if required for print or archival. Embed fonts and set image downsampling to balance clarity versus file size. Choose bitmap text only if embedding fails. Review section breaks and widow/orphan control so paragraphs don't split awkwardly across pages. Once adjusted, generate a PDF draft and inspect layout gaps, fonts, and image quality to catch subtle issues. You finish by producing the final PDF and doing a careful comparison to the original docx. Check headings, page numbers, links, and embedded media. If something shifts, try print to PDF or export as PDF/to lock rendering and flatten interactive fields so form controls don't move. Make sure hyperlinks and bookmarks work. If issues persist, copy the content into a fresh document and rebuild the offending sections. This often removes hidden styles or corrupt formatting. A quick fix: re-embed or substitute troublesome fonts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.